Have you ever wondered whether the $99 fireworks dessert party at Disney's Magic Kingdom is worth the money? Today you'll find out. I'm Shannon Germain, and this is Nick's the Norm. So you've just spent a fortune on your Disney trip, but you want to make it even more special. So you're considering dropping $99 on the fireworks dessert party in Magic Kingdom. That's a lot of money, so for a family of 4, that'll cost you almost $400. So is it worth it? Today I'm going to show you absolutely everything you get for your money, including doing a first-hand walkthrough of the amazing, massive, all-you-can-eat dessert bar. But first, please subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing, but helps YouTube promote my videos more. So thank you for clicking that subscribe button right now. The first thing I'll do is show you all the desserts that we got when we did the dessert party in March of 2020. Uh-oh! You might be thinking, holy cow, that's right before COVID-19 hit. And you're right! We were some of the last people to be at Disney before it shut down. Anyway, I'll just walk you through the lines here. Oh my gosh, don't miss the ooey gooey toffee cake. It's so good. But beware, the secret sauce does not go with the ooey gooey toffee cake. It goes with the egg rolls. Here's the lines to get the food. And here's where we all sit. So it's a very casual experience, not like fine dining. I love the cider. It looks like champagne, but it's not. Here's the dessert decorating station. Also, don't miss the sundae bar. There are plenty of fruit juices to choose from. They have an awesome coffee bar too. I mixed coffee and hot chocolate to make a mocha coffee. This is actually our second time doing the dessert party. The first time was much better. There weren't as many people crammed in our private viewing area at that time. First, let me show you this time. So as you can see, it's really crowded. The part of the crowd in front of me is the regular viewing area. These people probably staked out their seats hours ago, which can be a real pain. Now here's our area, which honestly was almost as crowded as the general seating area.
But the one good thing is that we didn't have to stake out our spots hours before. Instead, we were stuffing our faces on dessert. One helpful hint: as soon as you are done eating dessert, go to the private viewing area to stake out your spot, because you'll get a better place. Now let me show you how it was back in May 2018 when we did the dessert party. As you can see, there definitely weren't as many people in our private viewing area. So I'm not sure if it's because of the time of year or because Disney started selling more dessert party tickets. But I will say that I was kind of disappointed to be crammed in with so many people this time.
So that's it. Is it worth the money? It's really up to you. It depends on how much you eat, whether you like the private viewing area, and whether you don't want to have to carve out a couple hours to stake out a spot in the free viewing areas. I hope this helps you make the right decision for your family. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It costs you nothing but helps YouTube promote my videos more. So thank you for subscribing right now.